Divide 453 by 2 in long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting it is 0. We put down this 5 and 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting it is 1. We put down this 3 and 2 times 6 is 12. On subtracting it is 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 453 divided by 2 is 226.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.